Yo, what's good, chat? I'm back with another backtesting video. I'm on FX Replay once again, and I will be backtesting. What is it? January 2022. I do not recall ever backtesting this month, so yeah. Let me go to New York, and yeah, I'm just gonna take trades how I normally trade. I'm gonna try to take slightly more trades. I'm gonna try to add trades targeting unfilled 5 and 15 minute gaps because I see so many of those play out. I'm gonna try to take some of those whenever I see them play out. But I'm not just gonna like only take those. I'm just gonna trade how I normally trade pretty much. So yeah, I'm starting each day at 9 o'clock to get a feel for the bias. And yeah, facts, yo. Okay, so we have like sorta relative equal lows down here, and we just inversed the downside, so it looks kind of bearish. But we might be very bullish after sweeping this low. So we'll see. What time is it? It is 9:23. Okay. Could just be bullish. Okay, so I'm guessing we swept this hourly high. Okay, so we swept this hourly high, tapped this hourly gap. So shorts would look pretty good now. Um, we have an unfilled 5 minute gap down here. Is there any inverses? A potential 2 minute inverse. Okay, so if we get this 2 minute inverse, so okay, we got the 2 minute inverse right here, I believe. Okay, we didn't even inverse. Oh, that blows. That frickin' blows, chat. Well, I guess we just dumped. Did we get any inverse? Um, Wait. Don't tell me this is a new week opening gap. Why was no one gonna tell me this? Why? How did no one in the chat tell me this? Are we serious? So there's a 2, 3, and 5 minute. What time frames do we inverse? So we inversed. We at least inverse the 2 minute. So I'll just take this 2 minute. Um, Target 1 to 1, I guess. And yeah, this looks about right. We might have inversed the 3. I'm not really too good at this math stuff. But yeah, I'll take this 2 minute. Okay, nice. What RR is it, man? 0.4. It should be illegal to scale at 0.4R, so I'm not. I mean, I should probably move break even here. Actually, we still have to fill the new week opening gap, so I'm gonna hold this. Okay, wow, we filled it, but did not hit my take profit. Um, so hopefully, wow, would have hit my 1 to 1 on the dot. Hopefully we could go down and hit it. Okay, bet. Love to see that. So this trade, honestly, wait, was the 2 minute technically valid? Like, did we sweep this low before we got it? I don't think so now. So yeah, it technically was valid actually. Um, but I normally wouldn't take a trade like this with like pretty low RR unless the draw on liquidity was insanely obvious. In this case, this new week opening gap, draw on liquidity was so obvious, so I just settled with the 2 minute. I didn't wait for the 3 or 5 just because the displacement and how confident I was in the draw. So yeah, that's why I did not wait for any other time frame to get inversed. What am I doing? Okay, next session. And depending on how long it takes me, I try to get my balance up 3K before before I end the video, but since it takes a while to backtest, I might just stop after a week or two, but I'll see how it goes. We have relative equal highs, so it looks pretty bullish. Hopefully we sweep sell side, then get a long. I can't. Okay, we swept sell side. Are we about to get a long now? Are we about to get a freaking long, dude? This is a little bit awkward. What's up with this price action? Chat, does anyone know what's up with this price action? Okay, can we just okay, I guess we're just the most bearish we've ever been in ever. Um wow, I guess my bias was just way off. Thought longs were looking juicy. Uh so if we inverse this hourly, yeah, we're about to. Okay, so what's the draw? It looks like these 15-minute lows are the only bit of sell side we have, so it's got to be the draw, right? It's got to be the draw, right? Okay, so we swept it. We have a 1-minute inverse. Okay, so you see here, we have an unfilled 5-minute. So this is, I forget if I said that. I think I did say that in this video, that I'm looking for more trades targeting unfilled gaps. And we have an unfilled 5-minute here. We just swept this hourly low. These 15-minute, these equal lows? No, they're not. I would have made it better if they're equal, but so equal on 15-minute lows, 5-minute lows, whatever. I think got an instant reaction targeting this unfold 5. If we inverse this 2-minute, I'd probably take it. So we inverse the 2-minute. Okay, so this candle, we did just inverse the 2-minute. Like, I'm not gonna lie, in live time, I would not take this, but this is one of those trades where I try to get more confident at taking. So I'll take this since I'm back testing, just to gain more confidence, so I can take them a lot of time. Then I'll just target 1-to-1, and let's see. I'll move break even at the 5-minute. Wow, beautiful. Wow, okay, I love that. So, okay, so this is technically a PB trading calls it the mech model. Inverse target an unfull 5-minute after sweeping sell side. In this case, we just swept these 15-minute lows and then got an instant reaction inversing this 2-minute in one candle and then targeting the unfull 5-minute. So I love that trade. These are the type of trades that I'm trying to get more confident taking in live time. So I'm glad that I just took that. Jeez, I'm glazing. Okay. Should I just keep looking? Maybe get another mech long. Okay, I'm going next session. Kill me is what you want. Yeah, bias is kind of shambles. We can be bullish or bearish. I guess we swept this pretty prominent low. I don't even really know what prominent means. I'm guessing it means like important low though. So, and we swept this on the 4-hour. So we might be bullish to this unfold 4-hour gap. That'd be nice. Maybe sweeping sell side and getting a long would be the best play. Okay, we swept sell side. Maybe get a long. We have London high here. Okay, so we have a 1-minute long. Is this a 930 high? Oh, it's 931, unfortunately. Do you have any equal highs anywhere? No, this is a protected high. We just have this high, London high. And what is this, previous day high or whatever? Okay, so let me check the high time frame real quick. High time frame, we reswept this hourly low. We filled this hourly gap to the left. Okay, we filled it. We have a very bullish reaction on the 15-minute. We're inside of a 5-minute right now. We're inside of a 3-minute, and we're inside of a 2-minute. But we did get a 1-minute inverse. Not gonna lie, because how textbook this looks, I'm just gonna take the 1-minute. I'll put my stop. I'll target London highs. Honestly, move my stop a little higher, just because we should not go back down there. So yeah, be safe. I mean, it'd be like playing the trade safe to wait for the 5-minute to get inversed, but we could easily just run the trade without inversing the 5-minute. And this trade just looks too textbook after filling this hourly, receiving this hourly low. It just looks too good to wait for that instead of just taking this 1-minute. So yeah, actually I'm gonna stop a little lower. This feels illegal that this long trade should be 1.19 R though. So I'll move it up so we get 1.3. And I'll move break even once we hit that high. So do we inverse anything? This looks pretty bearish. We filled the 5-minute. Still in this 2. Okay, so we did not inverse any other time frame. Okay, I like this bullish candle. Does this bullish candle inverse anything? So we inverse the 2 with this bullish candle. The 5-minute we're still gonna be in. I will wait till we hit this high. Okay. Honestly, what risk to reward is this? 0.4. I mean, I can't scale 0.4. I'll just maybe break even scale if we go a little higher. Okay. What risk reward is this? 0.78. Actually, do I scale though? Is there really seriously a reason to scale? Nah, I won't. We hold till London highs here. Okay, well, definitely. Yeah, definitely should have scaled. Um. Okay, we're just dropping. Okay, so yeah, would have hit my stop. But I think this is something I need to get better at. I need to get better at either scaling or just taking profits, like taking all profits whenever we hit like all these highs. Because we're not like guaranteed London highs. So I honestly think but the thing is I need to run a way tighter stop if I want to like take profit at these types of highs. Yeah, I think I honestly should have had a slightly tighter stop and just scaled like 50% at this high, then just left the rest. But yeah, because this should easily be a winning trade. In no world should I have taken this and got break even from this. So just something to note. Jeez, I seriously need to eat. Eating like nothing. Okay. So we have these hourly lows. We have an hourly inverse to the upside, but this just does not look convincing at all. So maybe sweep sell side, get a long targeting these highs, or other way around. Okay, so it looks like we're sweeping buy side. Okay, so we tap this 4-hour gap. We have these hourly lows now. So I want to see a bearish reaction to this high. We have a clean 5-minute gap that we could potentially get inversed. Okay. Just hope I get an entry here. Dang. Honestly, might just get in now. There's really no point in waiting, like, to risk missing the setup just to wait, like, I mean, like, I don't know. Man. I'll wait for the 5-minute get close since I'm just not bad. If we had, like, any sort of inverse, which looks like half decent, I would take it, but, like, the 2-minute, no, none of these inverses are singular gaps besides the 5-minute. So I'm just wait, unfortunately. I really hope we get an entry. Is this the entry? Please, please. One more. Wait, okay. So do we even inverse it? Okay, so we got the 5-minute inverse here, bet. I guess I was tripping for no reason. Watch me trip just for this to lose. Okay, boom. Yeah, just look at this really bearish reaction, man. We have a 5-minute inverse. Boom. We have this is a 930 low. We have a 930 low, which a ton of people love to target. I guess they're similar to data lows, so that helps. But yeah, there's just no world where I don't take this, right? I mean, I guess we close bullish on the 15, but like, just look at this. Is this stop loss fine? Let me triple check. Yeah, I mean, the stop's fine. Okay. Okay. Is that 10 a.m. news? I think it is. I've been trading before 10 a.m. news anyway, so not to be like a bad a savage or anything, but okay. So here's one of those times where I should probably scale, even though it's 0.6R. And I mean, just look at this bearish close. Honestly, might not scale. This 1-to-1. Okay, bet it is. Okay. Okay, bet. Love to see that. Since I gotta eat, I'll probably. Oh, it's Friday. Mm, if I catch a win today, this is gonna be the last day. But there's no way I go 4-0 on the week. Like, this is the most. Like, I haven't taken 3 trades in a week. Actually, it's probably been like in like a month, in like maybe 2 months. It's been a month or two since I've taken 3 trades in a week, and I just went 3-0 this week. But that's because I added that mech model long to my arsenal. So if I do that, then lifetime I'll be chilling. Um, do I have aura saying arsenal? I feel like that's kind of sick. Um, so either sweep buy side and get a short, or sweep sell side and get a long. Those look like equal highs we just left. Can't even lie, but I guess we just swept them. Don't tell me we have a data high. I really wanna I really wanna harm something, bro. Did we get an inverse? Wow, man, I'm so sad. I should. Why was this the best week I've ever seen in day trading history? This 3 minute beautiful long, and there's equal highs at the data high. Are you kidding me? I'm sorry, chat. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10 times I'm taking this long, dude. This should react on a 15-minute gap with a 15-minute inverse too. This might be the best one setup for life I've ever seen, man. But I'm on the hourly. Why? Why am I on the hourly time frame? Someone please tell me. It's 10? No, 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 no. This trade happened at 9:40? Oh my gosh. What am I actually thinking? I've never been so mad. Dude, because usually you see like huge momentum whenever market opens. But we just did not get that. So I didn't go to the low time frame. I'm actually so sick to my stomach I missed that. I mean, like, we might get a short here. So this is the 5 minute inverse here. Thing is, this just does not look. If these were equal lows, this would look good. So we reacting off the 4 hour gap. This is just a pattern trade. I honestly doubt it's gonna work. I almost long this. Geez, I'm so upset I missed that one setup for life. Okay, someone just cut out the part where I said I'm along this. Did we get a 1 minute inverse? No, we didn't. Okay, so we have a 1 minute inverse here, I guess. We already tapped the unfold 5 minute. Hopefully we could get a mechanical model long to this unfold 15. Hold on now. Okay, did we sweep it? Okay, the 4 hours broken, I guess. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Okay. So we didn't really sweep any sell side, I can't lie to you. We have an unfold 15 minute literally right there. So even if we're bearish, we're inside of a 5 minute though, so this just does not look good. It could work, but yeah, of course it's gonna work. Of course it's gonna work. Okay, next session. Jeez, man, I should have just gone 4-0. I should have taken that one setup for life was the best trade I've seen. Wait, I need to charge my MacBook. Okay, bet. Oh, I'm so mad still. If you don't have this much passion while you're backtesting, do you even like trading? Um, yeah, facts, bro. Um, so I'm gonna just play it till market open. Hopefully, don't skip a one setup for life this time. Okay. So a long would look nice after sweeping sell side. Okay, we could just be bearish. If we don't see this. Okay. Okay, yeah, we're probably just bearish here. Okay, so we swept. Swept this hourly low, so I'd look for a long now. Maybe get a mech. Nah, there's nothing. Okay. Are these equal highs? This high is at 345. This high is at 7.5. Okay, so they're relative equal highs, so it's still wouldn't mind a long to them. Okay, so unfold 5 minute there. Honestly, might take this. You could cancel me. You could try to call me crazy. I might take this long. So So we swept this very prominent hourly low, tapped all these hourly gaps. We have, if we open up this unfold 15 right now, it'd be fire, even more fire. So we have an unfold 5 minute. Um, hold on, 2 minute. We got a 2 minute. Did the 2 minute get inverse? It did not, but we did inverse the 30-second. What time is it? It is 10:06. So I will take this 30-second. Actually, no, I'm not going to take 30-second. I'll wait for this 2 minute, if anything. Okay, so we got the 2 minute close here. So unfold 5 minute. Unfold 5 minute right there. So even if we are bearish, we should hypothetically rebalance into this unfold 5 minute. Then yeah, 2 minute inverse. So I'll take this. This is another trade I would not yet take in live time because I'm not comfortable with it yet. But that's why I'm backtesting it, try to get more comfortable with it. Okay, target 1-to-1, move break even at the 5 minute. Bang. I need a target 1-to-1 exactly. I'm not trying to take a loss because I targeted 1.01. Dang. Let me make sure we didn't. Yeah, we did not tap it. I'm so scared to like fast forward. Okay, so first loss. And it was a mech long. I didn't think it looked that bad. It's not something I've taken live time yet, but I thought it didn't look bad. Okay, so we should open up this unfold 15. So we have an unfold 15, so I'd take another long targeting this. This 2 minute, probably the best. Okay, I guess we were just bearish. I'm good next session. See, after the next swing, I'm gonna call it so. Okay, so looks like this low is the draw on liquidity. Okay, so we swept it. Is this market open? No, it's not. Okay, so this is market open. Let me check high time frame again real quick. So, we could be bullish. We filled this hourly gap. We swept this hourly low. You have an unfold 15 minute right here. We tapped this unfold 15 minute down here as well. Yeah, I would possibly take this 1 minute. Okay, so we got the 1 minute. It is 9:35. So confluence is fill this hourly gap. Tap this 15 minute unfilled. Target an unfold 15 minute. I'm gonna take this, move break even. Actually, am I gonna take this? We fill the hourly. Tap this 15 minute. Yeah, I will. Like the time in the 1 minute doesn't look that great, but like with the context, it's like pretty good. I'll just move break even at the unfold 15 minute gap. Actually, let me not be greedy. Let me put my stop swing low. Okay, I'd love to see this. What's this first reward? 0.57. So we did have this 15-minute. Like, I don't really have any draws. Like, this is sort of just like a dump. So there's not really any like serious draws. So I could either. Oh, what's the risk reward? Wait, so if I scale 50%, do I make like anything? I make $100. Um, I'm a. Um, I'll smooth break even and scale like if we hit this high probably. Okay. Well, break even saved me. I probably should have scaled there. Eh. If we hit this high, I would have scaled. Did we hit it? Yeah, we did hit it. So last time I would have scaled at this high. Not gonna hold you. Um, but yeah, like in this case, having a big stop did nothing for me since I went 0 ticks in drawdown. So I could have easily had a tight stop and made 1-to-1 here. But yeah, I'm still gonna keep trying until I get another win. Even though that's technically a win. Oh, okay. So we're in an hourly gap right now. We just closed bullish. Closed pretty bullish on the hourly, so we could be bullish, but there's not really any buy side targets. Okay, I bet we have a data low, so I'm gonna look for a short. Do we just inverse this or no? I don't think so. Yeah, I knew that was coming. So this is 9:30. Um, so this 3 minute looks like the best right now, unless we like make a 1 minute somewhere. Okay. Okay. This looks pretty good. So we're in this hourly gap. Swept internal liquidity. We have some sell side down here, London low right here. Um, the main reason for this trade is this data low, and we also have like relative equal lows as so it's just really good. And we got this 1 minute inverse in or not one candle, 2 candles with insane momentum. This momentum is just like insane. This is like a free break even trade at least. Like with this momentum, we're pretty much guaranteed at least this low right here. And some people may break even there. I honestly might not since it's a one setup for life. But yeah, let's see. Actually, wait, is my stop greedy? I'll just put it higher. Okay, I look so goofy if this loses. Okay, thank goodness. I would have looked so goofy. If this lost, I seriously, um, there 100% was like an SMT here if this lost, by the way. Because I was so confident on this working. Where's reward? 0.6, so nah. I'm good off that. Do we inverse this 3 minute? Okay, we inverse this 3 minute. Do I move break even is the question. Is the question chat wants to know. Um, and if we inverse this 5 minute, we inverse the 2 minute, like, when's this 5 minute close? So we inverse the 5 minute now, so there should be no reason for this losing, honestly. Um, We're in this 15 minutes, so this is why. So we filled the 15-minute. I mean, this 3-minute inverse trade should still work. The stop would just be like higher. Like, I think this should still work, man. I mean, I'll trail my stop to here probably. Okay, I'm gonna look for another short. Okay, if we get a short here, I'm in. 3-minute, 2-minute. Did the 2-minute close? If the 2-minute closed here, I'm in this. There's definitely a 5-minute. There's not, never mind. 2-minute did not close yet. What is this closure? What is this closure? Like, genuinely. What time is it? 10:30. I think I might still take this. Unfilled hourly below too. It just sucks we cannot get an entry here. You know, I'm gonna take this mainly off liquidity. Entry isn't the best at all, but I'll take this. Okay, I'm moving break even 110%. Okay. Man, we should just hit the stat low, right? You think we should just hit the stat low? Nice. Okay, so made my money back. This is mainly a discretion play, which I also need to get better at taking. I mean, the entry was technically off like an inverse, like this 1-minute inverse. We just, with the dodgy model, it's technically invalid since we swept this low. But whenever I am trading discretionally, that doesn't matter to me. Especially if there's like a data low and we get displaced into it, like, you know, I'm in that. Okay, so that's gonna be my last play. I'm starving. So yeah, that's been the backtesting session. Hopefully you learned something from this. Let me know if you guys want me to keep making these videos. And yeah, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.